State corruption recovery. Terraform does not discover ownership from AWS alone. Terraform trusts state as the active ownership record. Corrupted state changes Terraform's understanding of infrastructure. A damaged ownership record produces dangerous execution decisions. Recovery starts by preserving the last readable memory snapshot. The backend stores Terraform's infrastructure memory remotely. S3 persists ownership records between Terraform executions. Lockfiles serialize write access against the same state object. Serialized writes reduce concurrent modification risks. Concurrent writes increase corruption probability during apply operations. Terraform writes updated state after resource operations complete. A network interruption during state upload creates partial persistence risks. AWS resources may exist while state reflects incomplete ownership data. The next plan interprets existing infrastructure as unmanaged objects. Corruption often begins during successful infrastructure creation. Submarine crews never trust a half-transmitted contact report. An interrupted transmission creates uncertainty about battlefield position. State corruption creates the same uncertainty inside infrastructure memory. The system may exist correctly, while the tracking record does not. Corrupted state produces incorrect plan interpretation. Terraform compares configuration against damaged ownership data. Missing resource IDs appear as unmanaged infrastructure. Terraform then plans duplicate creation or replacement behavior. The plan output exposes the corruption symptom before apply. Recovery starts by extracting the current readable state snapshot. The snapshot preserves evidence before manual intervention. A backup allows rollback if recovery worsens corruption. Direct modification without backup removes the last trusted record. Recovery restores a known good ownership record into the backend. The restored snapshot replaces Terraform's active memory chain. Terraform then re-evaluates infrastructure against corrected ownership data. The backend becomes authoritative again after state replacement. Recovery is incomplete until plan behavior stabilizes. A clean plan confirms ownership memory matches infrastructure reality. Unexpected creation indicates unresolved ownership gaps. Unexpected destruction indicates incorrect resource mapping. Apply should never execute until plan output becomes predictable.